Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how to convert any mobile to CCTV camera. So if you want to make your phone a CCTV camera, all you need to do is just go to Play Store and install an app. Now search for IP webcam and now just install this app. By this app you can make your phone into a wireless camera. Now just launch this app. You can check everything in through this camera before launching the camera. The effect, the power management, the motion and sound detection. And after that, in the last here you will see start server. Just click on it. Give the permissions. Here you can see the camera is on. If you click the top right action, you can just choose this option: focus, stop, toggle LED, run in background. You can also go for your IP address. You can connect it to your IP address and you can just watch it in your desktop version. Here you can see the IP. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.